Alright, a nighttime video from the old sharpshooter. I showed a video the other day of the long range. You can find that pinpointer there. That's an MI-6 made by XP. Well, you know, sometimes we take things for granted. We don't realize certain things. I'm about 315 yards from my detector. My call is in the house. All I have is the old remote here. Notice, maybe you see that in that camera there. No call is paired. Alright, now I've got this pinpointer serial number, it's paired where I can use this pinpointer. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and see if I can select the research function. Maybe you see that in that camera there. Select. Let's see what that old pinpointer does. Turn this light off in this camera. You see that pinpointer beeping? Hear it beeping and see the light flashing? So if you lose your pinpointer, you don't have to take your whole detector. You can take your WF6 or just the remote. Alright, now I showed you all you could find this pinpointer. This MI-6 pointer using that remote there, It's dark out here. I'm still going to do this video though. People receiving this pointer here. This pointer, unlike the calls, don't look like you can put the serial number in. And what this means, okay, I've got this pinpointer right now configured. And I'm in the detect screen now. This pinpointer is on vibrate mode. And it's detecting that metal right there on my truck, okay? You might hear it vibrating, the sound in the camera there, okay? So I'm using this as a conventional pinpointer, not integrated through the DS2 headphones. But I did pair this pointer. So when you get your MI6, even if you're gonna use this pinpointer as as conventional, like you would use a Garrett Pro pointer, maybe like the older type, you need to go ahead and pair this pointer and then select your menu to use this thing conventional. Now, remember I showed you it's not, I'm turning the pinpointer on. You don't see anything in the screen there, and the pointer is working, but it's in the vibrate mode. You're not hearing any beeping. So I turned the pointer off. It's not on, okay? So now I've got it using it conventional. Okay, so I'm over here. You see the little icon there. I'm going to hit select. And you see the research is in the screen there. Okay, so if I hit select, okay, you hear the pointer start beeping, the light's flashing. Okay, and notice it shows the serial number there, but you can't load that serial number on this pointer in manually like you can a coil, which maybe XP could change that. You could write your serial number down, because if you don't have this pointer paired to this, the only way, and I'll show you, watch. So I'm going in here, unpair. Well, if I hit that button right there, unpair, which I did, unpair pointer, yes. Well, now if I go over here and use this thing, see, it still works. See there? I'm detecting that metal on my truck. Alright, I'm going to turn the pointer off. Now if I take it over there in the field and I lose it, I've unpaired it. So now if I go into this menu here, and I've lost my pointer, look what it says. Oh, I've got to switch the button on the pointer, but the pointer, I don't know where it's at. So just be mindful of that. Go ahead and pair this thing and don't unpair it. Don't go in there and select that option I said to unpair it. Leave it paired, but you can use it in the conventional way if that's what you want to do. Maybe you're switching between detectors. Maybe you're using this with the DS2 and maybe some other detector, and this pointer won't integrate with it, okay? Like it does the DS2. Some people may do that, and if you slip up, now if this thing allowed for the serial number to be plugged in like it does a call, and you could write the serial number down after you pair it when it comes in the screen, that wouldn't be such a problem if you lost your pointer. You could say, oh, well, let me plug this number in here in the letters, load it, and then go see if I can find my pointer. Okay? Hope you enjoyed.